Everyone, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security, and today is Free Advice Friday and it's Freshers Week and I'm a student. Mature. Anyway, I'm still going to party. But I'm not a student. I'm pretending to be a student. I'm pretending to be your friend. I want to follow you around, be invited, and at the first chance I get, I'm going to nick everything I can. That's your cash, your credit cards, your laptop, your phones, your memory stick, your books, and that will be the end of your party. So let's hope that doesn't happen. Have yourself a great uni life. You know, you're looking forward to it. Your parents, first time you've been away from home, maybe they're looking forward to it. It's going to be great. Just be careful. Keep mindful of who you're around, whose company you keep, who you're inviting back, where your valuables are. Make sure everything's locked up best you can. And like I said, have a good time. So that's Chris Mortimer, Crism Security. Thank you so much for your comments last week, and I'm looking forward for your comments to next week, and I shall see you then.